With this n8n agent, you can automate your entire newsletter from searching the web for news and crafting the summary to sending the email, no human needed. So as you can see, I'm going to quickly break it down for you. So for the trigger, we're using schedule. As you can see, trigger interval, we're using weeks. You can change it to days as well. As you can see, every day basically. I'll have to change it to 0. And as you can see, now it's triggering every day 7 a.m. So I'm going to quickly change it back to weeks. As you can see, we can change the time as well. To let's say 8 a.m. or the day as well. So now let's navigate back. And as you can see, for the second node, we are using HTTP request. With this, basically, we are researching for the news. I'm going to quickly break it down for you. So as you can see, HTTP request. Make sure to use this one, and I'm going to quickly break it down for you. For the method, we're using post, as you can see here, post method. URL will be api.tavily.com/search. And for the authentication, generic credential type, just pick this one. And for the generic auth type, just pick header auth, as you can see, header auth. And for the header auth, we're gonna create the account, as you can see. Just click here, create new credential, and just paste here your API key. Navigate back to Tavily, as you can see, just copy your API key. Navigate back to n8n, just paste this inside here. And for the name, we're gonna just, I'm gonna paste it here, authorization. So just copy this, very easy, and just hit save. I'm not going to save because I have my Tavily account already connected. So as you can see, turn on the body. Body content type will be JSON, and specify body will be using JSON, so we can actually specify it with JSON code. I'm going to show you as well. So as you can see, the JSON code, I'm going to leave this down below so you can just copy this. And here you can see for the query, you can change this for, let's say you have real estate business, find latest real estate business news. And it's gonna reach us this topic basically. Pretty easy. I'll switch it back quickly. So I'm gonna zoom out. And so for the bullet nodes, we're using code node. I'm gonna quickly show you. As you can see, this node. With this node, you can basically run a custom JavaScript. Very easy. I'm gonna quickly show you as well. Open this. As you can see, for the mode, run once for all items. Language will be JavaScript. And as you can see, here's the code. So this code basically picks the 7 best results and creates a markdown bullets based on the topics. Very easy. I'm gonna leave this code down below as well, so you can just copy this. And let's move on. As you can see, for the brain, we're using ChatGPT. I'm gonna quickly show this as well. As you can see, actually OpenAI. Click here and message. As you can see, message a model. And we're using this, so you can just copy this. And I'm gonna quickly break it down for you. So as you can see, first and foremost, log in with your OpenAI account. I'm gonna quickly scroll down. For the resources, we're going with text. Operation will be message a model. And model will be, I'm using 4.1 nano because it's very efficient and very cheap, but you can choose another one as well if you want to. So here is the system prompt as well. You are a B2B newsletter copywriter, write a concise AI and automation digest that busy executives can read in 120 words, format as a markdown headline, 4 to 5 bullet points with emojis plus 1 sentence quick take summary. So you can change it as well if you want to, but yeah. So let's move on. So as you can see, for the message prompt role, we're using a system. Prompt will be dragged from here. As you can see, code bullets, just drag it here in this box. Role is a user, and simplify output. Very easy. And I'm gonna quickly close this. Let's move on. For the create campaign, I'm gonna quickly open this. So as you can see, for the method, we're using post. For the URL, HTTP US free. The thing is that you have to change this. I'm gonna quickly show you. Mailchimp, as you can see, I can see here US free. Just copy your beginning and just paste it inside here. I'll quickly show you. Just paste this inside here and you're good to go. For the authentication will be generic credential type, basic auth, and basic auth will be Mailchimp API, just connect your account. I'm gonna quickly show you. Create new credential. For the username will be any string, and for the password will be your API key. So I'm gonna quickly show you. Open Mailchimp. And navigate to extras and API keys, and just create your API key and paste it inside this. As you can see, create the API key, very easy, and just paste it inside here. We'll close this. As you can see, send errors, turn this on. Specify errors will be using fields below. Name will be content type, as you can see, and for the value will be application/JSON. Just copy this. I'm gonna leave all the codes and everything down below, so you can just copy this. And send body will be JSON. And using JSON, as you can see, and here's the code. I will leave this code down below as well, so you can just copy this. Let's move on. I'm going to quickly show you. And so as you can see, for the method, we're using put, so we can actually update events. I'm going to quickly zoom in a little bit as well. As you can see, for the URL, we're using http .api.mailchimp. And as you can see, again, you have to change this as well with your own beginning. And so let's move on. For the authentication, generic credential type, generic auth type will be basic. Basic auth will be your Mailchimp API. Very easy. And for the send errors, turn this on. Specify errors will be using fields below. Name will be content type, and value again application. And turn send body on as well. Body type will be JSON, using JSON. And here's the code. I'm going to leave this code down below as well, so you can just copy this. This basically updates the Mailchimp campaign. So very easy. And then you can see the second output is here as well. And quickly break it down for you as well. So sign in with your Google Sheets account. For resources, sheets with documents, operation will be Append Row. So we can actually create a new row when it triggers the workflow. And for the document will be our Google Sheets newsletter, as you can see. Date, subject, description, and campaign ID. So navigate back. As you can see, sheet will be our best sheet. And mapping column modes will be date, subject, and description, and campaign ID. These have to match with these here. As you can see, date, subject, description, and campaign ID. These all have to match. And let's move on. And just like that, you can basically automate your entire newsletter. I'm going to quickly show you as well how it works. So I'm going to hit this workflow. As you can see, it's going to trigger fetching news with Tavily API, formatting bullets. Agent is doing his research, creating campaign, updates campaign, and creates a row to Google Sheets. And let's open this. As you can see, May 6, weekly AI digest, and description, and campaign ID. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.